Another setting within Gmail settings is the very, very, very bottom of this. So if you'll scroll all the way to the bottom of your general inbox settings, you will see something that could be really handy if we'd remember to use it. This is the vacation responder. This sends an automated reply to incoming messages. If a contact sends you several messages, this automated reply will be sent at most once every 4 days. This is where, if you're out of the office for a week, or you've had an emergency and you're not checking your email, or you're gone for Christmas vacation, or whatever it is, you can tell this program from this day to that day that anybody who emails you is going to get this response. It says, I'm out of the office. I'm not checking this. If you're having an emergency, you need to call somebody else. As students, maybe that's not such a big deal, but for some of you, you're gone for the week, you've had a family emergency, you're in the hospital, something's going on, this might be really handy. It gets you kind of off of the hook. You don't have to feel like you have to respond to every single email, and you get to say, yes, I'm acknowledging that I got this, but I want you to know why I'm not responding, so that people don't keep emailing you expecting a response. You get to determine the message. You can say out of office, whatever it is, put in your message however you want to that says, thanks for contacting me, but I'm out of the office for the next month. I've had an emergency. And you may get an email like this from someone who's out for whatever reason. Here's where they went in and did that. You can also check these boxes. Only send a response to people in my contacts, and only send a response to people within the district. Those are obviously up to you. If I was going to use this, I would leave it. It's set to anybody. Anybody who emails me is going to get this message. I am out of the state. I'm not checking this account. I can't help you. If this is an emergency, you need to talk to whoever else in the chain of command that anybody might need to talk to. So it's a really good way to get that information out and to let people know that you're not ignoring them, you're just not around. So that's the vacation responder. It's at the very bottom of the general settings in Gmail. Use it to let people know what's going on and to communicate. It shows another level of professionality that you would like to be showing. So there's the vacation responder. Set it up on an as needed basis.